I wanted to join this workshop because the last 2 weeks maybe I didn't really feel so close to Heavenly Parent. Even though I did doing mission, I felt that something is missing, and it is Heavenly Parent, and so I wanted to get more closer to Heavenly Parent. And
honestly, lately I've been struggling a lot with prayer and connecting to Heavenly Parent. So I've been going out witnessing and doing mission more just in a robot style. So I really thought to bring a really strong result, we have to have our spirituality high and to be connected with the Providence right now. So this is one of the biggest reasons I joined.
항상 참 어머님에 대해서 생각을 해봤지만 실제로 어떻게 하면 하늘 부모님 그리고 참 부모님과 어떻게 하면 공명이 될 수 있을까, 그거에 대해서 깊이 고민하게 되는 시간이 있었는데, 이번 강의를 통해서 공명이 무엇인지 제대로 느끼고 깨닫고 실제로 한번 공명이 되어보자 라는 마음으로 천신 공명 기도회 때 기도를 드렸더니 정말 간절한 깊은 감정이 마음 깊이 속에서 끌어올려지면서 어머니에 대한 생각을 하니까 계속해서 눈물이 흐르면서 공명이 잘 됐던 것 같습니다.
She's really amazing. She's my biggest motivation. Lately, I really tried to connect to her heart, and she was the biggest strength for me when I was struggling. So, thank you so much, true mother. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다.
I wanna tell True Mother that please don't worry, because we are working really hard. The second chance and the pure water. We are offering a lot of devotions, and we're gonna save this world. 아주. 자, 어머님, 성수무강하세요. 사랑합니다. 감사합니다.
여전 천심 천보 영성 7-day workshop in Moldova. 승리!